So the time has come. We finally got our faucet for our butler's pantry area. And oh my gosh, this is a sink right here. And we haven't had a faucet here for years maybe, I don't know. I don't know how long it's been, but we changed out our countertop and put quartz in, and we put this farmhouse sink from IKEA in, and we never put a faucet in because we moved our microwave from above our stove in the kitchen, and we didn't have a place for it because we put a hood over the stove, like, because it was pretty, and I decided, well, we'll just have to put it in here. It's also our laundry room. I would like to add on to our house and have a new laundry room, but right now this was our current laundry room. It was closed off, and we're just going into a whole thing. That's a mess down there, but that was our garage, and we turned it into a family room. So the laundry room is now open to the kitchen and the family room, so you walk through it. And that would make a perfect butler's pantry. So we lived in a 100-year-old house before, and it had a butler's pantry that you walked from the kitchen area to the dining room and the main great room through the butler's pantry. So I'm excited to finally be getting a faucet put in here, and I also want to get rid of this whole area here. It's an antique pie safe cabinet and some Ray Dunn, and I don't know. I would like a counter there and some clothes baskets underneath, but it's just not cute, I guess, for the space. Nothing's really cute because of that closet. Oh, and I have got little chandeliers up there. Because the closet houses our furnace and our water heater, and I can't really put anything in front of there or build anything, so I'm kind of limited. But I'm getting off, oh my gosh. But I'm getting off topic. I'll show you the faucet that we got. I don't know why it looks like this, but oh, the reason that I took so long to get a faucet is because of the microwave being there. You can't, most kitchen faucets come up, I mean, the measuring, they come up almost to here. So they would have all looked silly under there. So I found a beautiful one in the muted antique gold color that we have in our kitchen, and this is so perfect, which is still wrapped up. I'll show you once we get it installed, but I think it's going to be perfect. It doesn't stick up really high. It'll probably stick up to about there or so, but yeah, it took a bit to find the faucet. I will link this faucet and possibly this sink in the description box below if you want to check it out. But my husband's going to get this installed, and I'm super excited. All right, real life moment at what my kitchen looks like. Little Bear, did you make all this mess? That's our junk drawer open. Look, all these bottles, no one throws them away. Someone made a peanut butter and jelly sandwich earlier, and it wasn't me. That's not mine. Here's some stuff from my Target order, some light bulbs, some pens. Got a new candle. What is it called? Clean Kitchen. Okay, maybe if I light it, this will all get under control. More Target order stuff. Got some new bowls, more trash, I don't know, syrup, Target order. Oh my gosh, and oh my gosh, dishes. So yeah, this is a complete disaster. And I've got to clean it up because this is getting out of hand. And I've got to get some laundry in, so that's what I'm going to get started on.
Don't wanna wake up, I might be dreaming. I might be dreaming. You're stirring things up, my heart is beating. My heart is beating. I won't let go, I can't say no. My heart is yours, so I say here we go. You do that something to me, you do that something to my heart. I give up, you must stop, I'm like a speed. style. It ain't my style.
I got these really cute pasta bowls. They're just really big bowls and shallow. I love these type of bowls, and they have like, I don't know, I can't really explain to you the way they look. They've got a bit of a dimpling in them. Not really, it's very subtle. But
I give up, you won't stop. I'm like a spinning top. You do that something to me, you do that something to my heart. I give up, you won't stop. And I keep spinning you, see right through me. Do that to me, so let's do this, baby. You do that something to me, you do that something to my heart. I give up, you won't stop. I'm like a spinning top. Giving it up, giving it up, giving it up, giving it up, giving it up. Oh, I'm like a spinning top. Giving it up, giving it up, giving it up, giving it up, giving it up. Don't wanna wake up, I might be dreaming. I might be dreaming. You're stirring things up, my heart is beating. Oh, so I say here we go. You do that something to me, you do that something to my heart. I give up, you won't stop. I'm like a spinning top. You do that something to me, you do that something to my heart. I give up, you won't stop. And I keep spinning you, see right through me. Do that to me, so let's do this, baby. You do that something to me, you do that something to my heart. I give up, you won't stop. I'm like a spinning top. Giving it up, giving it up, giving it up, giving it up, giving it up. Oh, I'm like a spinning top. Giving it up, giving it up, giving it up, spinning top. Giving it up,
Eyes blind, and it is getting dangerous. I don't wanna fight the feeling inside, 'cause your words are so contagious. I don't wanna be distracted, no, I'm having a reaction. Oh, I give in to you, give in to your state of mind. You don't wanna be distracted, no, you're having a reaction. Oh, I can feel that I can feel you burning up. 'Cause tonight we lose it all. We let go, it's something in the way you move that makes me do things I've never done. Yeah, tonight we lose it all. I'm broken, and even if the sky would fall and flames are getting closer. Ooh, oh, 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 oh. My skin's on fire. Oh, 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 oh. I'm fire. Ooh, oh, 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 oh. My skin's on fire. Oh, 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 oh. Lights keep dancing by, painting the sky and adding to our chemistry. Heart beats up line, right in time. You've become a remedy. I don't wanna be distracted, no, I'm having a reaction. Oh, I give it to you, give in to your state of mind. You don't wanna be distracted, no, you're having a reaction. Oh, I can feel that I can feel you burning up. 'Cause tonight we lose it all. We let go, lose it all. I'm broken, and even if the sky would fall in flames, I'm getting closer. My skin's on fire. On fire. My skin's on fire.
We just got back from the grocery store and I was gonna go ahead and do a grocery haul because we decided to try and eat healthier. Actually, we're trying to get a lot of gluten-free stuff because we're just feeling bloated and gross. So we got all these vegetables, and I even have bags over there I haven't even unpacked yet, but this is all I can fit. So we've got lots of fresh fruit and vegetables. And then we got these dairy-free. I don't eat dairy, and I don't think my husband is going to be eating it anymore either. So we got these dairy-free yogurts to make parfaits with, and blueberries for the parfaits. And then we've got, oh, we got this granola, the oats and honey granola. It's gluten-free, and I don't know, it's got like a lot of protein in it. And then this oatmeal's gluten-free as well. And this one is, I decided to try that because it was maple and raisin. And the kids love watermelon and pineapple. So I got these for snacks, and kiwi. Kiwi lasts a lot longer than other fruits, so I like to have them. I thought these look good. Mediterranean chopped salad. I think I might make that tonight with some salmon. And broccolini. I love broccolini. Got some mint for water. I'm gonna make cucumber mint water, so I got that big cucumber for my water. And then these cucumbers are just to eat. I eat cucumbers like crazy. Got a few avocados, some iceberg lettuce, a slicing tomato. I love to put these green onions on pretty much everything I eat. Like if I make avocado toast, I will slice those up and put them on there. Some lemons for the water. Then I've never tried gluten-free pasta, so we're gonna try that. My husband picked that up. Mango habanero salsa, that sounds good right now. Got some frozen chicken. I don't typically like to buy frozen meat, but I just figured it'd be good on hand. And I just want to start doing some like meal prepping so it'll be easier to eat healthy. We really like this, and I figured I would get some of this gluten-free bread, which we never tried to make a sandwich, but I also wanted the gluten-free like tortilla wraps, but I couldn't find any of that. And these look pretty good. They said they were gluten-free as well, and they have 18 grams of protein, so I thought it would be something quick and easy. When we don't know what to make, we can just pop it in and eat really quick. Other bag here. It's got some random potato salad, and this, I love sour cream so much, and this sour cream is amazing. It is dairy-free, and it's almond and coconut based. This is so good. I got 4 containers of it. So I like to make dip, and then like we're gonna make baked potatoes, so we can put it on the potatoes. And if you want, like put it on tacos and stuff. And of course, oh, if I can get it out, got my favorite everything bagel hummus. And I got this for the kids. The kids like this kind of yogurt. So I had to get a different kind of sweet potato chips. I usually get an organic kind. I couldn't find them. I don't know if they were out, but I got these sweet potato chips, and I'm gonna try those with my hummus. They're so good. Another thing I got new to try are these ranches, and they are paleo, they're non-GMO, they're dairy-free. So who knows if they're gonna be any good, but Classic Ranch and Buffalo Ranch, I have yet to find really any good ranches that I like, so hopefully we'll like these. And then we got like stuff for salads, little tomatoes and cucumbers.
I'd run 1,000 miles if I could run with you. And from what I have heard, you do the same thing too. I wanna say
I love it. It's so beautiful. How is that thing pulling out? It's big. Yay! I'm gonna try and pull it out. It's kind of weird.
Well, and I was sitting on the floor too, so.
But it is weird because they're not usually that big, you know. Not that much of the faucet comes out usually. But it is the perfect height of faucet because all the other ones came all the way up to here.
We almost need to get that same exact thing in the Butler.
I know, that's what I was thinking. But what was it, like $300 and something? It's a nice faucet though.